Oh my gosh, look where we are. We are camping.
Wait. How much meat is on here?
Very much.
From Maurice.
Oh my gosh, look where we are. We are camping. The boys are pulling through, calling them, they missed us.
Hey Tom. Hey Tom.
Oh my gosh, look at Christian. Oh my sack, look at these waves, it's firing. We're gonna put the tents up quick and then we're gonna be going. We just need to figure out because this is like rock hard, bro. That looks ass to put a tent on. So let's figure out.
One eternity later.
Bro, I don't even know how long that took. But your boy's sweating. Got the tent up somehow. My sack, Beachy looks sick, bro. Okay, we're about to like suit up and we're gonna get out there, go get some bombs. Boys are gonna be scoring. Boys look really, really fun, so let's go out there. Suit it up. Just waiting on Carlo and then they should be arriving a bit later. But we're gonna go surf. Test them already out there. Christian's out there too. Back to nature on, board waxed. Let's go, get some waves. Beachy looks pretty sick. Both of my arms and my mouth bite might have broken. Lads, we finished the surf. How do you guys rate that surf?
Carly, look here. 10 points!
8 out of 10. We just had like one of the sickest surfs. Waves are so fun. Jesse and them should be walking up. Almost have a lot of puff at it, bro. But yeah, we got up in the shower quickly and then we gotta turn the tents around because we set it up facing the wrong way. And then we gotta go get food because these kooks are just eating Future Life for supper.
You can't say we're gonna go shower. We're gonna go shower separately. Like
I got one with the camera.
What GoPro is this?
We're going for a Donny.
Let me see you do dance, let me see
Donny.
you
Yeah, guys, it's like 4 AM right now.
We're going for a Donny. Everyone's waking up.
home girl. Waking up, I'm Buzz, this is Luz, this is Fuzz.
Lads, what are we doing?
We're looking at all the ice creams we cannot afford.
I don't even know what we're doing. We're meant to buy, but I think we're scrapping that idea slowly but surely. What are we doing, bro?
Bing bang boom.
what?
What are we looking at? Yo, bro, there's not even meat here.
The question is, what are you not doing?
Unnecessary stamping.
Hey, let's get McDonald's or Burger King, whatever.
I want that.
Yo.
I want that.
Whatever, bro.
Take it.
Yo, man's getting a run for the hype, bro. Oh, yes please.
I'm throwing that guy most days.
They're pizza pie, eh?
Oh, he looks like a plate or something, bro. This thing's dropping. Yo, I know. I'm flipping.
Who followed?
No one.
Hey!
I don't have an iPhone. I have a Samsung.
Rate the pizza pie.
Amazing.
Is that what the hell is that thing in there, bro?
What the hell did you Maya, please stop.
Mine looks like Spiegel, bro.
Honestly,
He's hungry over there, lads.
This is for me. What are you guys?
She can buy it, bro. Let's see our pizza.
Oh, you can eat here. You can eat here. Well,
So, who knows?
you don't have a voice in the crust.
Christian, be prepared to lose a few years of life.
It's okay.
Go!
why are you joking like that?
That was funny, Christian.
No, flippin' duck funny, bro.
Play that thing.
Joke of the year.
Go. Oh, we got half an hour, bro. We're walking into flippin' Robert's Pizza.
There's a girl here. Let's walk.
No, don't take me. What the
Do it.
Why are you hiding, bro? Look at this. There's the whoa, check it out. There we go. We're moving up in the world.
Ilembe!
God, bro. Okay, we did our rotation. Little sunrise. Nope.
Where's Destin's other ball? If the wind come up, Destin, where's your intersmog?
Okay, so what's the plan right now?
Put up the tent, boy. No.
Most of the tent. Then we need to put all of this stuff back in our tent. Let's see.
What? Guys, are we gonna party tonight at Beach House?
Yeah, we're gonna
Come,
beach
we
house.
gotta make the most of this night.
Beach house closed.
Christian's gonna make sure it's his last night out there.
Somebody's a little.
Guys, we've set up the tent. Is this your waterproof?
Yeah.
Yo, and we got a fire.
You're gonna see. How do you think it should go?
Yeah, on the corner.
Exactly. This thing needs to go in the corner.
Yeah, it goes on, yeah.
No shame.
What's that?
Carlo broke the other one.
Carlo didn't break that.
Bashak, we're gonna show Bashak. Let's check. Let's check.
Any middle nail
Let's check the setup.
I can Jesse my lungs.
Yo, lads, looking good.
That's me.
In the middle.
Yeah.
It's a little bit thin.
It's okay.
Als een strand.
No, I'm joking. Wait, did it? Yo, fire, lads. That's what I like to see.
Check.
Come, let's go around and get wood.
There we go.
Let's go get wood. Yeah, actually, yeah.
Right, go look for some wood. Yeah, take the GoPro.
I'm taking wood.
Stop
Don't slap me,
Put it on the floor. Put it on
Hey!
the floor.
Oh, you need like a light where we walking.
That's wood. Hey, that's wood, eh?
Oh my word. Oh, look at that spinnakopje. He's dry. Here's the stick.
Beautiful. Let's go look for him.
Where is the wood, guys? Where's the woodpecker? Wood.
One day later.
Good morning, people. Welcome back.
Welcome back to
Serenity episode. Today we're in Vic Bay. Breathe.
Today we're gonna get some. Definitely get some.
Welcome back.
We have arrived at the market.
Oh no, now the rain's starting.
What are you munching there? Chicken strips. Good. Yo, you got a gang sauce, bro. Want me some? Look up.
Gang Mukbang. Some mukbang.
What do we have there, Jess?
I don't know. Some. This is ice.
Is it nice?
No.
Rate the juice. How do we rate the chicken strips?
As soon as that pancake, let's go now to the pancake.
We're at the best store at the market where we now indeed. Pannenkoek!
Starfitkoek, melk, kost, sterretjie jaffel.
Yeah, we're getting some pancakes. We had our chicken strips. The boys have got their juices. Now we're getting some pancakes.
If you can call this juice, bro.
Ice. The boys have got their flavored ice.
Yeah, flavored ice. Cheers, bro.
Lads.
Who's that? Who's is that?
Okay, take a happy, lads.
What the heck?
So we go all.
Bro, the chicken strip pancake combo is like eating, bro. It's sitting, I can feel it in my stomach, bro. Bro, you can't take muscle bay money nowhere. Up in there, bro. Bro, watch this thing not move anywhere. Yo, boys are ready. Yes, lads. Yo, bro. This is Donnie, man! Oh, donut! Donut! Donut!
Dat is de scherpste dag van mijn leven. De hotels.
I'm on one wheel. I'm like, God, please.
Colin, dat is geen stop. Bro, we started check running like this.
That was so funny.
On the jump, I thought Jason's gonna fly out.
Rated out of 10. Was that worth? Was that the most?
That was so worth it.
No,
That was 100%
I'm
worth
gonna
it.
swing my 200 rand back.
I wish I was at the back. Actually, I had it easy at the front. I wanted that gnarly stuff like you guys were getting, bro.
I at the beginning of the gnarly stuff, and I just saw everyone behind me was getting worse and worse.
Guys, if you're down here at the Market, go check out that thing, bro. Gooi millies on that thing. Okay, I think we're heading back to the beach.
Gonna go check the
We're gonna go check the waves, surf.
Let's go
Oh, it's also, I don't know if I'm getting back in my suit, bro. I'm like sore.
Hey, please don't clap everything, hey? Please don't clap everything. Because that's my course, bro.
Flippin'.
Daddy distance quad.
Ja, daddy distant, bro.
first crossover is
Don't stop, make it pop till you see the satellite.
Oh.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
mukbang.
Dat was het gewoon, bro.
Right, did you see what happened to your finger? Oh, it's a nasty blister.
What's in pain, bro?
I think Eddie draagt het niet.
Je wordt dan altijd door die mooiste mensen.
Lads, people are eating. Just a little bit burnt, you know, but like, we got a surprise. Tastes like beach is cooking, so
I don't know if they can take it, but like that little sand ball like right over there. Oh my, there's got Sunset boogie section. Yo boys, this is gonna be a nice one. Shana, nice. Look at this beautiful day. Big smiles. Oh, it is cold. It is fucking cold. Yeah, but we need to be, man.
boys, I just have the body so straight off right now. Getting stuck. Lads, we on! Go, go, go! So hard. Oh my god! Okay, that's it, I'm done. Getting so bad. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun, little sunset station. With the boys, PlayStation, all you need. Woo!
The next day.
Yo, the man are slacking this morning, bro. It is absolutely firing. This is probably the best waves we've seen in a while. I'm flipping out there like now, bro. Like, not even kidding. And I've got a dry wetsuit. Woo! It rained last night, so everyone's suits are sopping wet, bro. I'm upset. We are out there, bro. On the. Okay, we've decided we're gonna go surf first. We're gonna pack down first. I was very close to getting out there this morning, but like, I think we're just gonna pack everything and then not have to worry about it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna friggin' speed run this whole thing, like. Bro, this is probably one of the hardest things I've ever done, having to pack everything up all the ways look like that. Are you kidding me? Everything's down. Time to go surfing. Place looks so flippin' good. Yeah, we're done. We've got 20 minutes. Let's go surf. Back to nature is gonna fly. We're getting out there. Ew! How do we rate the camping experience, lads?
I haven't brushed my teeth.
We don't need to be telling people that for that. Surf session was good. Waves are absolutely firing and then onto camp for a little bit, but like we had a sick time. It's under everything. We had a good time. Camping done. Blitzers looking chilled.
I think my car is a car wash. My mom's gonna kill me if she's dead.
Good day. Energy is cooked. Ready for a good night's sleep. What a day.
How much meat is on here?
From Maureen.
¿Qué te sorprende?